because I'm resilient. The things that I've been through in my life, I've had a lot of high highs, I've had a lot of low lows. And after the 31 years being on this planet, I realized one thing about myself: I'm resilient. I'm gonna keep moving forward, no matter the highs, no matter the lows. So that's where my confidence comes from. So no matter what happens, just moving forward.
You get one life, one shot, no rewinds, no do-overs. And if you don't take that chance, if you don't chase that dream, you will live with the regret of never knowing what could have been. People will doubt you. They will criticize you. They will say you can't do it. And when they do, you have two choices. You can listen to them, or you can let it fuel you. Let their doubts become the fire inside you. Let every insult, every rejection, every setback push you harder.
Good, you know, I do know, as I've said plenty of times, there's ups and downs to every prep. I don't care what level you're on. If anybody ever tells you that, oh, it was a smooth prep and nothing, there was no obstacles and everything was just perfect, I'm not saying they're lying, because I've had some very good preps, very smooth preps, but it's always challenging. And that's what's so great bodybuilding, and especially competing, is that it's hard. It's not easy. There's so many struggles and challenges, and it helps strengthen you from within. It helps you grow mentally stronger, physically stronger. When there's times where I'm like, oh man, this sucks, and like I'm not so motivated.
When you feel pain, when you feel exhaustion, when you feel like you have nothing left to give, that's when you dig deeper, because that's where greatness is made. In the moments when your body says, stop, but your heart says, one more. In the moments when the world doubts you, but you refuse to give in. We all have goals, we all have dreams, but the harsh truth is that 99.9% of people will never achieve them. They let fear, doubt, and comfort hold them back. They wait for the perfect moment, the perfect time. Let me tell you something. There is no perfect time. There never will be. The only time is now. The only chance is the one you take. Life is a journey of continuous growth, a relentless pursuit of progress, and a testament to the strength within each of us. We are here today because we understand that greatness is not achieved in a single moment. It is built brick by brick, challenge by challenge, and victory by victory.
Again and again and again. Count them. Let's go. You gotta want it. I can promise you this. Them boys are hungry, but they don't want it. Not even close, like this guy does. I promise you that. Whether be the champion, I'm telling you, whatever it takes. I will not be outdone, I promise.
Some days we're moving slower than others. But you know what, man? Every day's a great day. And every day's a great day to get better.
Mind over matter. Gotta finish strong. This is it. It's mind over matter. Your mind will quit before your body does. That ain't gonna be me. My body will quit before my mind. Stay strong. This is where you level up. You become the best version of you. You lead the way. Lead by example. This is it. All about you versus you, brother. New levels. I will not be outdone, I promise. And I'm gonna show it every day, in the gym, on this prep, and on stage.
Top isn't easy. The moment you reach number one, the world expects more. The weight of the title is heavy, and the demands are greater than ever. But that's where champions rise. That's where the fire inside burns brighter. Because staying at the top means pushing beyond limits, outworking yesterday's self, and proving that success is not a destination. It's a lifestyle. People will doubt you. They'll question your decisions. They'll challenge your methods. But when you know the truth, when you know the work you've put in, the sacrifices you've made, and the vision you hold, nothing can shake you. Let them talk. Let them doubt. And then show them. Show them with every step, every rep, every disciplined choice. Show them with the results that speak louder than words. I've been there, standing at the edge, wondering if the sacrifices were worth it, wondering if I had what it takes to keep going. But let me tell you something. The difference between those who dream and those who achieve is one simple truth. They refuse to quit. And I will keep proving you wrong. Year after year, challenge after challenge, I will push further. Because every struggle unlocks a new level. Every challenge barriers to discover a strength I never knew I had. And once you find that strength, once you taste that power, you never go back. You keep going, you keep fighting, you keep growing.
You have to have this burning desire. You have to have discipline, work ethic like none other. There's going to be a lot of things you have to sacrifice to get to where you want to be. But at the end of the day, like I said, the whole point of me sharing this is do not put me on a pedestal and think that I'm any different than you. Is all I'm saying. Because if you do that, like I did, the guys that came before me, it'll really mess up your head. So the guys that came before me that inspired me, they didn't do it purposefully, I don't think. But I put those guys on a pedestal as if there was something special about them that I wasn't gifted with, right? Like, you know what I mean? Something I idolized them, man. And when I actually got to where I am today, I've got to meet a lot of these guys. But anyway, I've got to know these guys. Like, wow, like they're just really passionate guys that love bodybuilding. And they saw this as what they wanted to do, and they went for it.
greatest champions, the ones who make history, don't settle. They don't stop after one victory. They push for the next. They don't say, I've made it. They say, what's next? Because the moment you stop moving, you stop growing. Every great champion, every successful person you admire has followed this principle. They did not wake up one morning and become legends. They worked tirelessly, pushing past every limit, every setback, and every doubt. The journey is not about setting one massive goal. It is about setting one goal, reaching it, and then setting the next one. Success is built on persistence, on the refusal to settle, and on the hunger to always be better than yesterday. Success is not just about standing on stage with a trophy in hand.